and welcome to a new video from Mark George. Today I'm going to introduce to you the new Google business made by Google. Keep up to know how to use it. So first we learn how to open it, and we'll open it from these 9 squares as we did for the Jamboard and the classroom videos. So it will be in the default here. So just open it. Before the screen loads up, you'll see a screen that will ask you for your business name, business location, and verification. So what does the verification mean? It will send you someone from Google, and this dude will just come and you'll let you sign on the paper that you really have this business, and now you're verified and you can access all of these options in the main menu. But I'm not verified because I don't have real business. I'm just showing you guys how to use the business app. So I'll made to verify later. Then we can verify now, but I'm not going to do that. So we can have the business on our Google Play or App Store, which is for iOS, the App Store, or we have the Google Play for all of the Android devices. So let's go for the interface. First we have this home page, then we go to the posts page, and you can make posts for all of your, for example, products, but just not all of them. You can just put one post every, for example, one day, or every time you got a new product you put it here, and then you create a post. But I have not verified, so I cannot do that. Then we have the info. So I've made these up. So I have here the location, and then the fake mobile number. Then if you have a site, we sell what a PlayStation Plus, which is here, opening date if you didn't just yet open, and photos for your business or store if you have online store or something. Then the insights. Discover your customers. Get the insights you need to increase your customers base. So not verified. So I am unverified now, but you'll see, discover your customers and see them and see what they like, and then go to the reviews to see how they review what they saw in the post and later on in your website and in the products. So then we have the messaging. In the messaging, we can message customers instead of going to another app like Facebook, for example. Facebook Messenger to message your customers. Just click here, but I'm still unverified, so I cannot message my customers, and I do not have any customers because I don't have a complete business. Then we go to the photos. You'll add photos of your stuff, but not just everything, because everything will go in the products. Every single description or every single detail on the product, you'll put it here. Then a really cool thing is the websites. You can make a website here. Yeah, just really. So I've customized it. Let's go. PlayStation Plus. Click on that. Then let's make these dots. Let's write a word here. Let's say I am Mark. See, it's there, and you can delete some here, so you can make it in the middle. So Mark here is in the middle. It looks cool. So after you finish all of the thing you want, click publish, and it's now published, and you have created your first business website from Google without buying a domain or something from any site like I mentioned in a previous video, like domain.com or name.com or even hostigator.com. So then we go to the main menu again and go to the users. So you here have the primary user, which is Mark George, which is absolutely me. But you can add, if you hired someone, and this dude is working for you, and you can add him here as a worker, and you're the primary owner. Then you add them from here, and then done. Create an ad, as you guys see, is an ad for every time you open television. For example, there's an app for Walmart, for example, so you can create your ad here at adwords.google.com. Select your ad goal, create your ad, and set your budget. So just you'll create an ad and just fill in these stuff. So I'm not going to make this now. Then add a location. So let's say that you are first in China, then you moved on to Japan, then North Korea and South Korea, and then you went to Asia. Then you went to all of Asia and made your store there. So you'll add locations, you'll add locations, and then verify them from here, and then manage them if you want to delete location or something if it's closed. Then link the accounts. So let's say that you have 3 brothers, so you're 4. So now you guys wanted to start a business, and the same business, but you don't want to work with the same account. So you link these accounts to this business, and now you all have complete access to the business after you have verified your locations. Like someone went to Japan, and someone went to North Korea, and the other to South Korea, and the other to China, as I said before. Here we have the normal settings and the support at the end. Believe me guys, after you finish a really good website and you have a good business, you should earn a lot of money, because online stores these days are the best. No one goes to just go and shop, or not. I don't mean that they don't go, they go, but if you wanna buy something and Amazon will get it to you in your home, so just click on it. So this is what's happening here. Or you can make a regular store, which I do not prefer, but you just it's your opinion at the end. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you liked it, and if you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss my future videos. Also, don't forget to tell me what tutorial you want next time so I can make it to you. Quick note before I finish the video, I've made a Hobbies channel and uploaded a video there. The video got 83 views, which was an absolute success. I wished for Christmas for 1K subscribers, views, and likes, so please give me a